Welcome to our deep dive into RAM speed and timings, two crucial specs that can influence how fast your PC feels and performs. Today we'll break down what they are, how they work, and which one truly matters most for your setup. Let's start by understanding the essentials behind RAM modules and their key performance indicators. RAM, or Random Access Memory, serves as your PC's fast access workspace, holding data temporarily so the processor can reach it quickly. Two major specs often catch attention: frequency, measured in megahertz, and timings, a sequence of latency values. But what do these numbers mean, and why should you care when shopping for memory? RAM speed, specified as frequency, tells us how many cycles the RAM can handle per second. Meanwhile, timings, like CL16 or CL18, reveal how many clock cycles it takes to complete specific tasks. Both impact performance, but they don't always work in isolation. Understanding their relationship is essential for optimal PC builds. Let's take a closer look at RAM speed. Higher megahertz typically mean your RAM can juggle more data each second, translating to improved bandwidth. However, this doesn't always guarantee a noticeably faster system, especially if the timings lag behind or aren't balanced with your overall hardware configuration. Now onto timings. Lower timings, such as CL14 instead of CL18, mean less waiting between operations, improving response time. But just like with speed, lower isn't always better if it comes at the cost of higher frequency or system compatibility. A balance between the two ensures smoother multitasking and reduced bottlenecks. Modern processors and motherboards often favor higher RAM speeds, but ultra-low timings can still make a difference in certain applications, like gaming or content creation. Benchmarks often show real-world performance gains are modest past a certain point. Therefore, it's important to match RAM specs with your motherboard and CPU's capabilities to avoid diminishing returns. So which should you prioritize, RAM speed or timings? For most users running mainstream tasks, a balanced approach delivers the best value. Opting for moderately high speeds with reasonable timings usually ensures efficient system performance without overspending or hitting compatibility issues. If you're building a PC for gaming or design, consult your CPU and motherboard's recommended specs. Then choose memory with the best balance. Enthusiasts might push for max speed or lowest timings, but real-world gains are often incremental beyond a certain threshold. So set realistic expectations for your workload. To wrap up, RAM speed and timings both matter, but neither guarantees maximum performance alone. Thinking in terms of balance, matching your RAM with your CPU, motherboard, and workload yields the most reliable results. Remember, smart choices and realistic goals will help your system run at its peak, saving you from unnecessary upgrades. Thanks for joining us on this journey through RAM speed and timings. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe for more easy-to-understand hardware insights. Share your memory upgrade experiences in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going about getting the most from every PC build.